Today, guys, we are going to give you a quick tour of our interior stateroom. As you can see, when you arrive at your room, you will have an envelope that is sealed with your room key cards inside. Your name will be printed, and this will allow you to purchase things throughout the ship. This will act as your debit or credit card. So let's get inside and see this room. Upon entering our room, we were actually surprised to see how spacious it was, considering it being an interior stateroom. As you can see, you have two twin beds that have been combined to make a king-size bed. But if you prefer separate bedding, that option is available as well. Here you have your desk area where you can read or get some work done while you're in your room. You have a TV for entertainment. You have storage units. As you can see, there are three. This is the first one. It comes with an extra comforter. This one I decided to hang up my clothes in, and it also provides the life jackets in the case of an emergency. Here is your last storage unit, and I actually use this one to put our luggage in. Just another quick view of those life jackets. You have one at the bottom and one at the top. So here's the bathroom that is in this particular stateroom. It comes with a shower, a toilet. You see you have your mirror, an isolated mirror at the top if you need to work on your makeup, and you have your vanity. We're just panning around so you can get a quick view again. Alright, so we have all the necessities that we need to enjoy this wonderful experience. So I think we're all set, guys. I also forgot to show you that at the bottom in that little area, you actually do have a refrigerator. We didn't see that at first. Here you have options for entertainment that is offered on the boat. I see they have a comedy club that we can attend, a ladies' night. They have mystery bingo. I want to play bingo, that should be fun. They give you information about food and the spa area, and all sorts of fun festivities that you can attend while you're on the ship. See you later, guys. Bye.